say mine. It's my husband's. But what is mine and what's his is mine. Yeah, it's like a mini machete. Oh my god. So this has also been all over TikTok. Anyways, guys, most of these people, they usually will be sponsored for it and all that. I am not. As you can see, I don't have that many followers. You need to have like 10k or something like that. I'm not even close. I only got 500. So anyways, yeah, I'm excited because this hair will be crazy. So stay tuned for this video as well. Usually I do get ready with me on Saturday now, so if you want to see this in action, I think I will be using it actually on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday on Thursday for Thanksgiving. Stay tuned. This has a lot of claims, by the way. It says 5 temperature levels for different hair types. That's the first one. The second one says 60 seconds fast heat up. We will see if that's true. It says 30 minutes auto off, 360 swivel power cord, international dual voltage, okay, that doesn't matter, and auto temperature lock. We will see. And also it says it's ion something, so it's not supposed to damage your hair. Tymo, that's the brand of it. It's Tymo. Tymo delivers design-oriented products to our queens. We believe that design, quality, customer service, and our core competency. Well, whatever. Okay, cool. Well, and then it says right here, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Tymo everything. Okay. Let's open it up and see how it looks inside. Nice. Okay, guys, it comes with, okay, this is hella cute. Oh my god, this is cute. It gives me Barbie vibes. Look at that. Oh. Brush out your hair. It comes with a little clippity. I love that it's sealed. Yeah. Okay, 2 clippity clips. Very important. It comes with a glove. It's like Christmas for me, and it ain't even Christmas yet. Oh my god! So you don't burn yourself. Feels like rubbery. I love it. I love it. Okay, now last but not least, it comes with its own little baggie, and it feels very velvety. So this is going to be very, very interesting because as you can see, it doesn't have it's not like a regular brush. And it's not like flat iron or anything like that. So yeah, it looks like a comb, but it doesn't feel like a comb. So stay tuned, guys. On Thanksgiving in the morning, when I'm getting ready, I'm gonna use this. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow, so it's ready to freaking iron it on Thursday. Yay! So yeah. Bye. Thanks for joining, guys.